You go to the shop, you get a mask made out of cloth. Then you also find masks in different varieties. So she is also making different varieties of masks. Okay. So see here, what are the types of masks that she is doing? She's having, let's ask Natasha, can you just unmute and read this for us? Can you tell us what are the varieties of types of masks that Mrs. Vanita is doing?
Kid mask, printed mask, and disposable mask.
Very good. Yes, children. Okay, she is doing how many types? 1, 2, and 3 types of masks. Okay, that is her business. And I want to tell you one important thing, that this disposable mask she is going to get from Natasha. So Natasha is the manufacturer of disposable mask. Okay, you are all the customers for Natasha. So what Miss Vanita has done? She has gone to Natasha and said, look Natasha, I want to start a mask making business. So I want some disposable mask from you. And so she has gone and got disposable mask from Natasha. Okay. Let's see then what happens. Please mute your call, children. So in order to set up her shop, you know, if I have to go to the shop and get some things, that shopkeeper, what they will do? They will stock everything in that shop. So this Mrs. Manita also spends some money to make these masks. Yes. What and all she needs to do? She has to stitch. Yes, she has to buy the cloth. And she has to arrange her shop. All this she is spending some money for that. Okay. She is spending some money for that. Okay. Are you all able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
So see here, just like that the mask cannot be ready. So the mask has to be made. So we have to buy the cloth. We need some scissors. See on the screen, children, we have so many varieties of elastic tape. Okay, and then finally, with all this also she couldn't do. She needs the sewing machine and then she needs to stitch it. Okay, for all this she's going to spend some money. Okay, she's going to incur some cost. Okay, this cost is called as the cost price. This is what we are going to call it as cost price. It's there in page 38 now. What is this constantly cost price is coming? What is this cost price? It is the price the shopkeeper is going to invest. Okay, invest means what? Suppose I want to make something, that making cost. That is my cost price. Or suppose I am buying from somebody, like the disposable mask that I got from Natasha, then it is the cost price. The buying cost or making cost, both we are going to call it as cost price. Okay. So let us see here. Every month, yes, can I have some student to please read this?
Mommy.
I'll call out somebody. Wait, give one person a chance who's never tried talking. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Tanishka, I've never heard your voice. Can you please unmute? I like the music, but later. Yeah. Tanishka. Sanjana. Can I have Sanjana, please? Yes, Sanjana, can you please unmute quickly, dear? Children, quickly, please come, ma. Sanjana, are you there? Okay, Sadhya, Tajmol. Thanks. Please turn off the music. Sadhya, please quickly come. Come on, children. We are just going to read. I'll help you out. Come on. Neela, unmute dear. Unmute children. Quickly come and join. The participation only is important. Who is this?
Rupshika.
Okay, read Rupshika.
Every month she checks the sales records of different types of masks sold by her. The cost of making her mask is cost price, but she sells her mask at a different price to the customers. This price is called.
What is it called, children? Just now we have read that in your page 38. Very good, excellent. Selling price. Yes, okay. The price in which we are selling is selling price, and the price in which we are making is cost price. Is it? Yes, very good. Did you all get that? Good. Yes. Okay, please mute your calls, children. Someone singing happily. Very nice. Rupshika, you have a sister, huh? Very nice. Happily she's singing. Okay, very good. Okay, children, the two terms that we learned is cost price and selling price. Okay, children. So let us have a better idea of what this is. Okay. What is this profit and loss? So we are going to sell the mask. Okay, we are going to sell what? Mask. So if I buy from Natasha one mask for 5 rupees. Okay, I'm going to buy the mask for 5 rupees and then I'm going to sell it to the customers. We are all the customers. Okay. So Mrs. Vanita is selling it to Kevin. Kevin Daniel goes and asks Mrs. Vanita, I want one mask. So she's selling, give 10 rupees. Okay. So for how much she's selling?
Hi, ma'am.
She's selling for 10 rupees. But she has got the mask from Natasha for 5 rupees. Okay, you're spending 5 rupees, but when you're selling, you're doubling it. Yes, you're selling it for 10 rupees now. So what is the difference? Yes.
Ma'am, why do they double the money, ma'am?
Then only you can do business. No, then only you'll get profit.
You'll get
It is
loss
your
and you
income.
won't get any money.
Yeah, right. Okay, only then you will get money.
Rupees, ma'am.
You're asking 30 rupees. What happened? I don't understand.
Mask is 30 rupees, ma'am.
Disposable mask, no, that is only 10 rupees.
Disposable mask is only 30 rupees, ma'am.
But this mask is only 10 rupees.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. So did she make a profit or loss? Now Mrs. Vanita made a profit or loss? Her money has increased or not? That is what we have to think. Okay. Has the money increased or not? Yes. So whenever the money is increasing, okay, it is more than the cost price. Means what? More than what she has spent for making the mask, she is getting a profit. Okay, did you all understand that? Suppose, yes ma.
Ma'am, for profit, do we have to double the cost?
No, you don't have to double anything. When the prices are slightly more than the cost price, then it is definitely a profit. Yes, one by one.
Ma'am, what if we are find the profit? So we have to double the cost price.
No. We are not doubling the cost price. In this particular question alone, when 5 rupees became 10 rupees, in this example only, okay, sometimes it can be 5 rupees and you might only sell it for 7 rupees. So there is only increase of 2 rupees. Okay, it's not double. Okay, double is only for this example, not for all the situation. Okay, ma?
Ma'am.
Yes, in between I heard Ibrahim, I think. 1 second.
No, ma'am, my math is
No, don't write anything, okay? Then let me explain first. All your doubts will be explained in the next slide. Okay, have little patience. Okay?
My math is, ma'am.
Yeah, ma.
Ma'am, even my grandfather, if he buys 1 kg onion for the shop, if it is cost 1 kg onion is costing 100 rupees, he will sell it for 150 rupees, ma'am.
Wow, very good. Yes. So how much profit he made?
50 rupees.
50 rupees.
Excellent. That's all, children. You are all mastered this chapter. Very good. Okay.
Ma'am, the same thing happened to me. Like in our old villa, we are allowed to sell anything. So like I decided to sell popcorn and my brother decided to sell mango juice, and we got profit from that. I don't remember exactly how much we bought it for, so
Okay. Very good. That's a nice experience. Very nice. Good. Maybe if we had school, we could have had a stall. You know, 5th standard students could have put up a stall and sold something. Yes.
Hello.
Hi. Yes, Ibrahim. Hi. See, my class is only... Irfan. Sorry. See, my class is only 40 minutes. And then I'm extending it to 1 hour already. Okay? Yes.
Sorry.
Okay, and all doubt sessions only in the end. Okay? So please, children, yes, please listen to the class first. Okay, the cost of making kids mask is suppose 12,458. She is selling it for 15,580. Okay, just by looking at these two figures, we can tell which one is greater. Okay, the first step is to compare. Yes, when you compare these two numbers, we know that sold, the term sold indicates selling price. Okay, and the cost indicates cost price. Fine? So therefore we know which is greater. Yes, you all know what is greater, no? So 15,580 is greater. So when you find the difference between them, you can find what is the increase or what is the decrease. So in this particular question, it is selling price is greater than cost price. Therefore, it is a profit. Therefore, it is a profit. Okay.
Ma'am, she made 3,122 rupees of profit.
Yes, very good. Fantastic. Okay. So when you subtract 15,580 and 12,458, what do we get? 3,122. Good, Srinidhi. Others also must involve. Okay, similarly, see here the next one, and I will finish with this, children. Please observe carefully. The cost of making disposable mask was 6,199. Now she has to spend some more money for this. 650 rupees she is spending on transportation charges, because she wants to bring the mask from Natasha's place. You know, we are buying from Natasha, right? We have to bring it from Natasha to her shop. So what we have to do? We have to add them up. Okay, anything that is done before selling the product, all that you are spending on that particular product. Okay, and for us it is the mask. So we have to add them. So she sold them in the local shops for 6,620. So now what numbers we should compare? Please look carefully. We have to understand that we have to take the total cost, children. We have to add the transportation charges along with the cost price of the disposable mask. Okay. Therefore, we have a total of 6,849, to which we have to compare the selling price. So as you can see, this is a little different. The cost price is now greater than the selling price. The making charges has gone little more than her selling. So she has not made any profit. Instead, she has made a loss of 229 rupees. Is it clear? So look at the new formula. Loss is equal to CP minus SP. So in this case, what has happened? CP minus SP is equal to loss. Okay? Remember that. Okay, ma? So what are the two formulas we have learned today? Profit is nothing but selling price minus cost price whenever selling price is greater. Okay? And loss is when CP is greater, therefore CP minus selling price. CP means cost price. Okay? So all these formulas are available in your page 38 knowledge nuggets. I want you to go through this. I'll share this material and I have one activity for you all to do. Okay, I want you to try it and post it in the Google Classroom. Okay, yes.
Ma'am, 220%
Yes.
loss, ma'am.
Wow, very good. Your answer is correct, dear. Very good. Okay. So with this we will wind up today's session. Those who have doubts alone can stay. Okay, others can leave. And share the material. You have to do this activity.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
we have any homework?
The homework complete, and I will share this material now. Go through it and do the activity. That's all.
Ma'am, I can't understand.